Also log into FNB or First National Bank account on PC. Launch a web browser. Click search bar. Type in www.fnb.co.za and press enter on your keyboard. And then you will reach on the official interface of First National Bank account. Here let's click on manage your setting and manage the cookies. And click on save setting button. Click on the login button, or instead of that you can directly click on the username section, enter the username, and then you need to enter the password, and then click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen, and then you will redirect it to your home screen of FNB account. And with that, you will successfully log in into FNB or First National Bank account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.